Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to reset your progress on Udemy. Digital learning is a vital part of our lives, providing the freedom to develop skills whenever we want. You might need to restart a course to brush up on specific topics or to finish a program more effectively than before. Whatever your motivation, clearing your progress is quite simple, and I will walk you through every step to maximize your educational results. Begin by signing back into your account. Visit the Udemy website and find the login button located in the upper right corner. Selecting this will open the sign-in page, where you can choose from several methods. Using a Google account is a very popular and fast option, so let's go ahead and click that familiar Google icon to continue. After clicking the icon, you will be asked to pick the specific Google account linked to your Udemy profile. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple emails. This login method is both safe and efficient, utilizing Google's security to keep your data protected. Once you are logged in, your next objective is to head to the My Learning section. This area serves as your personal hub, displaying every course you have joined. It is the primary spot for monitoring your advancement and, more importantly, for resetting your status. You should see My Learning clearly on the homepage, though its exact location might shift slightly depending on your device or recent site updates. Inside My Learning, browse through your collection until you find the specific course you want to restart. This list represents your entire educational history on the platform, and opening a course is just one click away. Once you have selected it, you will arrive at the course overview screen. Here, you can see all the lectures and materials provided. Take a moment to look around, as you might spot resources you missed previously. To actually reset your progress, look at the checkboxes or progress bars next to the lessons. By manually unchecking these boxes, you inform the system that you want to treat the content as unread. This allows you to start over and catch any subtle details you might have overlooked during your first attempt. Manually clearing these marks is an effective way to ensure you have fully grasped the subject matter. This is a significant move, especially for courses tied to professional certifications or personal goals. Approaching the material again with a clear objective will make your study sessions more intentional and productive. That covers the entire process for resetting your Udemy progress. This flexible feature is one of the best parts of online education, letting you revisit and refine your skills at any time. Whether you are mastering a difficult concept or just want to enjoy a favorite course again, this tool is a great asset. Thank you for following this tutorial. I hope this guide assists you as you continue your journey of discovery. Keep exploring, keep studying, and stay curious.